you doing, Adam? You got Daddy's shoes on. Oh, it's getting turned around a little bit. Oh, oh well, oops. Oopsie. What are you doing, Hendrik? Let's not. That's.
No. Sorry, he was away. I need to make this.
What are you making?
I need to make it out. It's not used to making it all work. Guess I just have to work again. Do it all over again.
What are you building, Hendrik?
A dinghy hole.
A what?
A dinghy hole. It's a hole. It's a deep hole.
My goodness. What is in there, huh? He's breaking through.
I just saw a really cool snake.
You did? What kind of snake was it?
It was a corn snake.
A corn snake? How do you know it was a corn snake?
Because it was yellow.
I see.
And corn is yellow.
Yes, it is.
And then you know how I got from there?
Huh?
You know how I got from there?
How did you?
I did.
You dug?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. It's kind of backwards, huh? That doesn't fit so well on your foot. All right, I'll help you out.